sound that hip hop as a whole culture that has. So battle format, when we see all these people like battling, it shouldn't be like it shouldn't be happening like it wouldn't be happening if it was not for breaking. So battle format, the whole way of competing, it started off with breaking. So what I'm gonna do is like touch my knee, touch my other knee, stand. I'm standing here. Now I'm gonna face him and kick. Think I want you guys to freestyle. I will play music. Okay, freestyle. Freestyle. Whoever does the best one, I have a gift for him. So what the motive was like, y'all don't have to rush, like, y'all don't have to, like, do it fast. It wasn't like, who's doing it, like, in a rapid speed or like, like who's giving like full power. The thing is that, like, I wanted, like, a complete, like, movement, What y'all did was like, y'all thinking, like, while you're dancing, y'all thinking, but like, what he did was like, he stayed calm, So that's what it is, like, you have to understand how to, like, stay calm. So let's go ahead. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We all got, like, enough information about, like, breaking. It wasn't a long class, but still I tried to cover all. So try to use it. Okay? Yes, sir. All the best.